In the next some minutes, you will learn how can you add background image to your csTimer. So let's jump right into the video. Open csTimer in any browser you would like. I'll just open quickly. After opening your csTimer, click on the options button which is right here. Then click on display. Then you can see here background image. It is none. So you can add manually here. You need to paste URL. I'll just do this. You have these 3 default images. I'll just show you one of them quickly. The second one is pretty nice, I guess. I love this one. But I'm going to show you how can you add your manually use which you would like. So click on display. Click on background image. You can select none. But you need to paste URL. So what you need to do is open a new tab. Just search any image you would like. I'll just search something. And make sure you type for PC at the last. Click on images. Then click on any image you would like. I'll just search some of the images and I will click here. I think it's not in 9. You need 1920 into 1080, so I will not select this image. I will select this one. Or 4K image will also work. I'll just right click and then you need to see this properly. Now after right clicking, you don't need to do this thing, the old thing. Click here and click on view image. So after doing this, click here, Ctrl C, open your csTimer tab and now paste the URL here. Click OK. Click OK. And now you can see the background image is added. The opacity is a little bit low. I will just increase the opacity. I'll just type 75. Okay, I guess now you can see clearly. I will just do a little sol here. Okay. Okay, now that was the timing so bad. So that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in the next video.